Hi, my little champions. I hope you all are going good. It's your English lecture time, and letter of the day is X. X. It's a X, and its sound is X. X. But before going to start the reading, we will sing the poem. Let's come and sing with me. Here comes X, X, fox. Look, there is a big fat ox. Here comes X, X, fox. Look, there is a big fat ox. The ox and the fox are out today. Did you meet them on the way? Okay, good. Now come on the book page number 64. Here is a letter X and its sound is X. Its sound is X. Do you know how you have to write it? Yes, it's a cross. When you will make a cross, it will be X. क्या बन जाएगा? X. And the lowercase x is same like the uppercase x. It's a X and its sound is X. X, X. 6. The box, box, box. And this is a mix, mix. And it's a fox, fox. And this is a taxi. X create the sound X when it come in the middle of the word. जब ये किसी वर्ड के दरमियान में आता है तो ये कौन सी साउंड क्रिएट करता है? X. And it always comes in the middle or at the end of the word. ये हमेशा किसी वर्ड के दरमियान में या एंड पे आता है. And its sound is X. Now it's time to do work on page number 65. Let's come on the book page number 65. Here is a letter X. अपनी X को write करना है. Read and trace the X and also color the boxes with the letter X. आपने X वाले बॉक्स को कलर करना है. Okay my kids, अल्लाह हाफिज़.